Okay, I want to welcome you to this live presentation on TikTok ad setup, a step-by-step on how to set up uh, TikTok advert using Ad Manager. And this is a evergreen and a new method of doing this in the year 2026 and beyond. TikTok ad setup, a step-by-step ad setup using Ad Manager as a secret. So without wasting much of our time, because it's going to be a live practical training where you will see step by step about how you can set up TikTok advert using Ad Manager, a secret that every business owner that want to enjoy profitability and get more visibility, get more reach, more sales, more clients must use if you are using TikTok ad platform. Of course, using Facebook is not bad, using Google, YouTube is not bad, but using TikTok also is a added advantage and it has its own peculiarity. So, and among other things, that is what we are going to be discussing in this video, this training. And I believe that if we give it a rapt attention, avoid every form, push aside every form of distraction, whatsoever that will distract you, you put it aside. And in the next 30 to 45 minutes, we should be done with this training. And more so, make sure that you watch to the end because I have a special gift, bonus, and offer that will benefit you to begin to enjoy profitability each time you run TikTok advert. So having said this, my name is Oludela Tunishe. I'm Senior Marketing Officer at Foresight Global Multi-Services that is transitional into green, rich marketing. Okay, having said this, once again, welcome to this presentation. Make use of the comment section to leave your make use of the comment section or chat box to drop any inquiry or any question regarding whatsoever you'll be learning in this video. And if not, you can contact me through my WhatsApp contact that I will drop, I think, later at the end of this presentation. Having said this, let us dive into the training proper because, like I said, it's going to be 100% practical class. Nothing to hide, but everything you need to know about setting up TikTok advert, a step-by-step process using Ad Manager. Particularly, I will be using a case study of a product that I will be using to create a practical live advertisement using TikTok. So once again, welcome. So having said this, let's move to the next slide. The next slide is that before you go on the TikTok or any advertising platform, you must have done your homework. That is what I call back end work. What are the back end work when it regards setting up a advert either on TikTok or any other platform you want to use to run advert? One of the back end work you must do is you must have ad creative, and under the ad creative you have image or video, ad headline or title. Your ad creative is what make up your advert. So you must have prepared your advert image or video, and you must have done research about a compelling and attracting, a clickbait or click through advert headline, the title that will compare them, that will resonate with their need, with your video or with your ad video or ad image, and that resonate with the product you want to promote. And then the next thing, description. There must be a ad description, call to action, and destination. Destination is where you are taking them to from your TikTok ad. Maybe you are taking them to your website, you are taking them to your WhatsApp DM, you are taking them to your WhatsApp group or wherever. That is destination. So all this must have been sorted out before you log on to TikTok ad manager, before you start setting up your advert. And the next thing is you must have done your detailed audience targeting. Are you doing a zero targeting or detailed audience targeting? If it is detailed audience targeting or zero audience targeting, among other things, you have to consider the interest of the people. What is their interest that will make them to be the ideal customers for the product you are promoting, either digital or physical product? Demography has to do with their age, with their gender, with their location, with their location, and I think some other. When we are doing the practical, you will see it. And their behaviors, so what is their behaviors on that platform? Are they person that is following a particular con creator? Are they their behavior as a frequent traveler, their behaviors as a particular device they are using, and many other things? Do they click any product that has to do with pay now, order now, belt like on like that? So that is has to do with audience targeting. And the next thing, you must know the objective of your advert. What is your objective you want to achieve with your advert? We have awareness objective, we have lead generation objective, and we have sales objective. So what do you want to achieve with your advert? You don't just log into the TikTok platform and say you want to run advert. With that, what exactly do you want to achieve? That is the objective of your advert. You see, awareness, that is, you want more followers, you want more video view, you want to generate lead, that is the people that will come to your WhatsApp DM, or that will come to your WhatsApp group or Telegram group or email squeeze page. Or if it is sales, do you want to make sales? That is, you want to drive them to your website, a product website, or a particular website where your product is. So what you want to achieve, that is your hard value. So your hard objective. So you must have settled this one before you think about running a successful and profitable TikTok ad. And the next thing is, how much are you willing to spend on a daily basis for your ad budget? And I normally recommend minimum of 5,000 daily for 7 days advert. And because your advert will perform very well the longer e stay, and the algorithm, or the algorithm of the platform manage sees it. So there is a learning process. So you don't run advert for one day and think that you will get result. That's the truth of the matter. The result you will get, before you get the best out of your advert, on either irrespective of any platform, either on TikTok, on Facebook, or whatever, it must run for minimum of 5 days to 10 days or more. And the truth of the matter is that if you decide to, though on TikTok the minimum daily budget is 1,500 naira if you are using Nigeria TikTok account. So the minimum is 1,500, but I will never advise you to go for that, because the result of 1,005 can never be compared to 5,000 or 10,000. So on the average, I always advise people go for 5,000 naira daily of the daily budget, and it should run for minimum of 5 to 7 days. So within that 5 to 7 days, you will be able to see what is good, what is working, and the one you need to remove, and the one you need to correct, and also move on and increase the budget, or continue with the advert beyond 7 days. So I normally recommend 5,000, and the worst scenario 3,000 naira. So that is all these are the back end work you must have done before you think about running your advert. Now that we want to do a practical ad setup, now the next thing is we must use a case study. And the case study I want to use is a case study of this training. Assuming that I want to run advert on TikTok for people to join this free training. I want to run an advert on TikTok inviting people to join this free training through my WhatsApp. So when I run advert, they will click, and when they click, they will come to my WhatsApp group. From my WhatsApp group, now I will update them, either share the link of the video or the link of the live training with them. So I will first of all build a lead. That is, I want to build the lead. In that's the truth of the matter. I want to build this lead of people that are interested in this training that I will be showing live. Okay, now how do I generate that lead? I will generate that lead through my WhatsApp group or Telegram, but personally I will use WhatsApp group. So anybody coming from TikTok ad, they will landed on my WhatsApp group. So when they join the WhatsApp group, it is from that WhatsApp group I will be sharing the link to join the live training or pre-recorded training, or anything I want to update them about the training. That is where I'll be doing it. So I'm building lead. So number one, my objective is building lead. Number two is I'm using video creative. I have my headline, I have my description, I have my call to action, and I have my destination. Like say my destination is to take them to WhatsApp group, and I've already done my interest, demography, and behavior. And like I said, my objective is lead generation, and I'll be spending 5,000 naira daily for this advert. I wish I will run for minimum of 7 days. Okay, now that we have make up my mind. So here is what I prepared regarding my um creative. Can you see now? Here's my ad creative. My ad creative is video, yes. And then I have the video here. I think I have the video here. Okay, I have the video here. Here's the video. This is the video. When we are going to use it, you will see it. So though I have it on my system, I've already uploaded it also to my TikTok page. So I can easily pick it from my TikTok page or pick it from my system. So if for you that you are new, you pick it from your devices, or if not, you might have uploaded it on your WhatsApp within the TikTok page before you start running your advert, any of the two. So that is the image of video I'm using. And then this is my ad headline. You can see learn how to run profitable TikTok ad using ad manager, step-by-step training. And then here's the description of my advert, and here's the call to action that I will use, learn more. And then here's the destination. I'm taking them from instant pay to WhatsApp, to WhatsApp group. So this is WhatsApp group, and then from WhatsApp group, then here are my audience targeting. People that are interested in digital marketing, social media marketing, online, all these are the people that I will be targeting. And also by demography, I'll be targeting age of 27 to 50 or 30 to 45, and gender, because it's a business something advertising, so it's good for both men and women. So I will be targeting both male and female, and I may decide to target them separately. I can target male separately and target female separately, and the location I'll be targeting Nigeria. And also among other demographic, the job title, I will be targeting people, business owner, entrepreneur, founder, CEO, self-employed. And also behavior, people that consume monetization content, engage with business opportunity videos, and also people that click webinar or trading ad. So these are the things I will be doing. And like I said, I'll be going for lead generation, and my ad duration will be 5 to 7 days with minimum of 5,000 daily budget. So I'm done with that. So, and not only that, there's other things that I will be doing, because I want to run this advert from a TikTok instant page. So I have to generate some question to pre-qualify all my potential subscriber or the target audience. So these are the pre-qualified questions that I will put in there, so that to be able to sieve the serious and unserious people away, so that anybody that will be coming must have met any of these conditions before it will come to my DM. So these are the things I've put together. Okay, now that I'm done with my back end uh, work, so next thing now, practical. Let's log on into my dashboard, my TikTok ad manager dashboard, and let us do a real practical training, setting up TikTok advert using ad manager. Join me as I log on to my TikTok ad dashboard. Okay, here is my TikTok page, or yes, this is my TikTok here's my TikTok website. So for you to get to this page, what you need to type is tiktok.com. So when you click, type in your browser, particularly Chrome, when you type ad.tiktok.com, it will take you to this page. So if you have ad manager account already, then you will see where you supply your email address and your password. That is what I'm doing now. But in case, I believe that for as many that are watching this video or joining this live training, if you have not created your own, if you take you to this place, what you need to do is click on sign up now. And then when you click on sign up now, all the process of what you need to do, and then you follow it. However, I think I'll be sharing the insightful process to create your TikTok ad manager in a professional way, so that you will not have any issue, because if you don't do it right, you will have issue. So I'll be creating a video on that, and it's even going to be a part of what I'll be teaching in my premium training class for as many that want to be part of it, and I will be introducing this at the end of this presentation. So now that me, I'm already having my own account, and I enter my email and my password, then I click on login. When I click on login, I need to wait for the account to load. So now normally we ask me to verify with the two email that look alike. I think the two email that look alike here is C, and this is C and C. So we have C, C. So I will select that one and click confirm. So after I have just confirmed, I think there will be a login verification code that will be sent to my email address. So can you see confirm your email? So and then I will go to my email. Yes, my email is already open. So then see also here are the here is the code that I will use to verify my that I'm the one logging in. So that's just a kind of a security measure. So and so can you see that is the code DBWCUS. So and I will copy or write it down and come back here and type it DBWCUS. So that's to verify if I'm the one login. So after that, I will also verify further. So which one is too common, the same object here. I think this is the R, and then confirm. So with that, I will successfully log into my TikTok ad manager dashboard. I believe you are following. So now I'm already on my TikTok homepage now. You can see now select an account. So if you are just coming in, your own will not look like this. There will be so many things. All this will be empty. So that is why I said you have to take your time. Please don't rush yourself to go and create your account, because there are some things, if you miss it there, you miss it forever. So you see now there is what we call business center, and there is what is called ad manager. So under business center we have ad manager. So I have a business center, I have an ad manager. So under my business center, I can have as many ad manager as I wanted. But for now, that is not part of the focus of this training now. But I'm only telling you, so because when you create your own, you may not see something like this. But because I've been using this account, and then that's why I will go ahead. So now I will choose the ad manager account that I want to use. So I will select this, so that it will take me to the ad manager dashboard for proper ad setup. So okay, can you see now? Welcome to ad manager. So this is the ad manager, and then this is the account overview of my account ad manager performance. Can you see now? This is the account overview. You have two key insights. So you will see that no, it will show you some overview, the performance of your previous advert and many others. So like I said, that is, so these are the overview. And some people believe that TikTok is for Gen Z, that is underage people, maybe the youth. You can see now that it has room for everybody. You can see 24 to 30, 25 to 34, 18 to 24. That's the performance of my advert before now. People that responded to it, 47 people percentage. So and on like that. So now, without wasting much of our time further, all I need to do is I want to create advert that will promote this training. That is, I want to invite people to come and join this free training through my live training, either on YouTube or my website or any other platform. Now I want to run advert for this. Now what I need to do, now that I'm here, all I need to do is just click on create ad. So when I click on create ad, like I said, I've prepared all that I needed to create the advert. So it will be very faster for me to begin to gather, to join all things together to make it a flesh and come up with a profitable TikTok ad for that product that I want to promote. Don't forget, this is the training I want to promote. I think I want to promote this training. I want to promote this training. So I want to promote this. So I want people to join the training. So this is what I want to promote. So imagine I want people to I want people to come and we attend this free webinar. So that's what I want to promote, so using TikTok. So that is what I'll be doing practically here. So now, here now, can you see now we're talking about, look at the first thing said, advert objective. Don't forget, I've explained to you, awareness has to do with reach, conversation has to do with traffic, video view, whatsoever. On conversation has to do with ad promotion, lead generation, sales. So now don't forget I said I want lead generation. So I click on lead generation here because that is what I want to achieve with my advert. That is my hard objective. And then before I move forward, I will now click on, I will give my campaign a name. I will just give it a name. I will say, I think, let me say, webinar had. Let me say, webinar had. So I will copy it because I will still need it. So then just scroll down. So just leave, I think you can leave everything as it is. You can leave it as it is. And then click on continue. So click on continue. And then under the campaign, and then we move to ad group. So this is ad group where we will now be populating, optimizing my advert. This is where the main work will be done about who must see my advert, the destination, and many other things that will come together to give my advert a good view. The people that must see it and people that will not see it, the interest, the demography, the age, the just everything that we position my advert to be seen by the right people, not the wrong people. So now don't forget I will change the ad group name to webinar ad. So and then I will move further. So now optimization bidding, where is the location? Where am I taking them to? The optimization location, the website collect lead. I want to collect lead through website. No, I want to collect lead through instant form. So that's why I say, or if you want to collect lead through TikTok direct message, fine, or instant messaging, that is WhatsApp direct or phone call. But don't forget I've said that I want to use instant form, and which has been selected. And the next thing, I will go down, I will scroll down, I will come here, I will change this one, bid strategy. I will change it to highest volume. And then from there, I think let me see, check more option. So I will leave this one, there's nothing. And then can you see now my daily budget? I will change it to 5,000. I've told you that the minimum is 1,005, but if you want good result, you can't avoid to be using 1,500. Can't get anything good. And then the day you want the advert to start running, so I will change the date. If I want it to start running, I'm recording this video on the 16th. So if I want it to start today, I will leave it. But let's assume that I want it to start tomorrow on the 17th. I will take it, and then the time I want it to start, maybe I want it to start by 3 p.m. So I like my advert to start by 3 p.m. I like my advert to start by 3 p.m. because people are begin to come online that time, so it will reduce wastage and the likes. So I like my advert to start from 3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. So I think let me choose 3:30. So 3:30, and then change the PM, and I will confirm. So I've changed that one now. And then the location, West Nigeria. So this one will be automatic because when you are creating your advert, your account, you must have done that. And then if you want to set start and end time, you can do that one here. So and then more option. So you can leave this one, day spring all day. So if you want to specifically specify about when you want your advert to run, so like I've selected when I want it to start. So that's, and then from there now we now come to audience targeting. So here is where you sort out who must see your advert and who must not see it, by interest, by demography, by behavior and the likes. So now I will come here. Number one has to do with audience control. I'll click on this. First thing first, you let me uncheck this so you can look for your country. So I'll type Nigeria. So Nigeria is the country I'm targeting. So if you want to target other country, yes, you will see the country that you can target there. So I'm done with that one. Then the minimum age I want to target from is 25. That's no that one by default, but I will still go ahead and change it. And then language, change it to English. English. So okay, select English. And then the next, don't for bother yourself with it. And then the next is audience suggestion optional. So I'll come here. Excuse me. This has to do with age. So if I want the age bracket that I will want to see, that would like to them to see my advert, I can decide here. So if I don't want 23 to 25 to 34 to see it, I will uncheck this. So if I want people from 35 to 44, 45 to this, so for me, for regarding this advert, I will choose 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and I will uncheck this. And then is this product or training, is it for men and women? Yes, it's a business training, so it's good for it's a business training for business owner. So men and women, they are business owners. So if I did want only men, I will select this. If I want only female, I will select the better. I want male and female to see my advert, I will pick this one. Now that I'm done with that one, now custom audience, don't bother yourself with that one for now. And then we now come to interest and behavior. So this is where you now target by interest and behavior of your potential audience that you want them to see your advert. So now we click on this drop down. Don't forget that I've done my homework, which is I think okay, here. So among other things, it will start with the interest. So don't forget the interest. I'll select digital marketing. So I will come here, paste it here by searching the keyword. So I have digital marketing course. People that are interested in digital marketing course, digital marketing online, digital marketing, and then online digital marketing course. Good. Digital marketing strategy, digital marketing course, digital marketing. I think I saw something. Learn digital marketing. Yes, I think okay, that's done. I'm done with that. So next one, I'll come here and pick another one. So let me say social media marketing. Okay, people that are interested in social media marketing. So again, I will I will put the search and search for the social media market. So these are the people that are interested in that, and social media marketing agency. So and then I will pick another one. I will hit online advertising. Good. And I'll come here and check this and paste that one. Online advertising. Okay, I think just one. And so that one is also picked. So I will come here again and then let me pick entrepreneur. At least people that are interested in entrepreneur also could be interested in advertising. So individual entrepreneurship, and then I think all this will work. This will work. This will work. And also with the hashtag entrepreneurship good. So people that are searching hashtag entrepreneurship also will be part of it. So that's good. And then let me look for business growth. So people that want a business growth, we like advertise, we like what I want to promote. Okay. So okay, business growth. People that are interested in business growth will want this video, want to be part of this training. So and I would like online business. I'll copy that one also and put it here. So that's it. And I can see now online business. So that one is not available. I will come here and look for another one. Business owner. Yes. So okay, small business owner. Good. For business owner. Yes. For business owner. Then business owner. I think I'm done. I think I have one more. E-commerce. Okay, because someone that is doing e-commerce also want advert for his e-commerce also. I think e-commerce platform, no, rental and e-commerce. Okay, I think I pick this online pharmacy and e-commerce store. Yes, e-commerce accessory, food and beverage e-commerce, home building materials. I think e-commerce. Okay, let me put this one and this one. Okay. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, let me see what else do I need to put here. So I think I'm done with this one. And so now business, let me look at entrepreneur and the business owner. That's people that show their business job title. Entrepreneur. Do I have, so I think so they are already okay. Entrepreneur, for entrepreneur through entrepreneur method course. Okay, and then all this hashtag, you can put it. You can select entrepreneur life, entrepreneur tip. So people that are interested in that also will like anything like that. And so I think entrepreneur. Uh, okay, okay, okay. So I think let me see if there's any other thing we can. Okay, let's see self-employed. People that use self-employed as their title. Okay, I think we have that one. Then I can pick something else. Let me pick a business owner. I think all has been picked before now. Okay, so I think that's okay. So let me pick something else. So let me see monetization. People that want to monetize. Okay, you can give us a monetize. Aha, monetization, monetization, monetization. Which okay, and then business opportunity. Okay, so okay, I think that one is okay. And then is there any other thing? Think okay, let's see webinar. Let me first of all pick a training ads. So and see people that click on training ads. Okay, let's see training. Okay, I think I don't think that we don't have much to regarding to the training whatsoever. So I think plus personal trainings. Okay, I think just a moment. So I want to search for some hashtag also sponsored ad. I think it's something like that. Sponsored ad. Okay. So I think that's people that interacted with something sponsored. Uh, sponsor ad. Okay, let me see now. People that interact with that sponsor ads. Don't know if I can get something like that. So that one is not special social media marketing. Don't know if I have something like that. Social media marketing. If I can get something like that. Social media marketing. Okay, I get it. I think okay, I've already picked that. So and then let me see sales funnel. Okay, so nothing like that. Sales strategy. I can get something from there. Okay, so however, as it is now, I think I have something that is okay for me. So all I need to do is, I think I'm done with for now I'm okay with this, and then I'm okay with this one. So the next thing I have to do, there's more to it, but regarding this training I will not be doing much. So I'm okay with this now. So how to use this percentage intention and the likes, at least somehow we have used it while I'm doing this. So the next thing for me is to scroll down and then come to the placement where I want my advert to show. So I will click on select placement, and I will uncheck this, I will uncheck this, then I will leave this leave, and then click continue. Okay, so the next thing now, we are now at add name level. So this is where the content of your advert will be added, that is such as your video or image, the headline, description, the call to action, and then the destination URL where you are taking them to. So that is where we do that one, this that. So at the first webinar ad. So then I will come here. Don't forget that we are using instant page. So this is destination instant page. So I will now click on create new, or I use existing. I can choose existing one if I have already, but I want to create new because of this training. I will click on create new. It will be populated. That is where I will now make use of this pre-qualifying question, and then adding my um destination URL, such as my WhatsApp group. I will add it together to it and do every other thing. So now this has been loaded. Create your own, that is it. I will create this one. That's what you should choose. Don't choose any of this. Use a template or generate with AI. So click on create your own, build your own column, and then I will select this one. This is the common one, and I click on confirm. So after that, wait for it to load. So now it is loading. So now this is where I will set up my instant page and add all the necessary thing I need to add to it. So please follow me, and then let me give it a name. I'll call it webinar ad form. So now come here. First thing first, I can switch on off the banner, but I will leave it. If I leave it now, I will come here and click here and click on this plus. I want to upload a banner or image that depicts what I want to promote on that form. So I will come here. Here is the image I want to use. This image, I will now open it. It will display. You see that it will display here. Guys, it will be preview here. So now I will want it to. I think it's okay like this. Let me see. Okay, I'm okay like that. So I will now confirm. So it will preview here. So now after that, so while waiting, you can see now it's loading. So while waiting for that, we have our question. So I will remove um the logo. So then I put the image here. Can you see it as shown? And then automatically it has populated with email and name. So let's assume that I want to add something to it. I can add to it. So I will come here, put the headline here. So my headline, let me come here. I will come here and put my how to run profitable TikTok ad. So that's what I will put here. I will put it as the headline. So that is done. And then short description. So I can come here and pick some short description. Discover this and this and this. So I'll copy this and paste it here. So you can see it is showing here. now the next thing is that to add a question to it. So and then this longer I don't want it, I will not, but it's optional. So I think that one is done. The email, so and the other one. So the question, here are the question. Already we have email, so I want name to be before email, as you can see it here. So I want them to submit their name before their email, so I will put that one there, so I to change it. And then the next thing, let me add personal information. So let me collect one more personal information, that is their phone number. So I will contact the phone number, so it will be added. So that has been added. So can you see now it has been added? So now that I'm done with that, the next thing is I can now add a customized question. So these are the questions that I've already prepared. I think they are here. So these are the questions I prepared here. So this one now is already done. So these are the remaining ones I need to start creating. So I will start with this one. What describe your business? So that is click on customize, add customized question. I will click on this, and now it will be a multiple choice question. Select that. So the question is here. Here is the question. I will paste the question. Can you see now? And then the option, that is the answer. So I have three answers that they must choose from. So I will increase it by clicking on that plus, and I will come here. This is the first answer, and so I'll paste it here. And then the second one, I will pick it, I'll copy, I'll paste it here, and then I'll come here, I'll copy return, copy, and paste it here. And then maybe I can add and say other business not mentioned. So I think that is it. So now add another question. I'm done with the first question, and then another question, multiple choice. I'll click here, I'll copy. So I'm done with this. I'll come here. Are you currently? So I'll copy this. So the question, the question two, that is it. And then the answer is to answer. I'll come here and say yes. Sorry, I think I can quickly type this one, but this one is far longer. So I will quickly type this one. I'll type yes, this one no, and then I will paste this. So the next thing, the next another customized question. You can see that I'm creating that question is showing here. So customized question, multiple choice. And so here's the question. Also, what's the next question? So the next question is, how would you like to learn TikTok ad manager business? So I'll copy the question, paste the answer. It should be three. I think three or two question answer. So I'll come here, I'll copy this. Yes, I'm not sure. I think two. Yes, I'm very interested. Yes, I'm interested. Yes, I'm interested. Yes, I'm interested. And then not sure. So not sure. So I think that should be okay. And then the next question, add customized question, multiple something, and I will now come here and pick the last. I think that's the last question. Will you be ready to join our free video now? So I think that's the last question. Come here. Here's the question. I'll paste it. Will you be ready to join our free video training now? So the answer, so you have two questions, two options. Yes, later. I don't have time. Okay, just let me pick two. Yes, later. Yes, I am ready. Maybe later. Then think that should be okay. So now I'm done with the question. So all the question I want, I've pieced it. So I just want to use that one to just sieve the unserious people away from my coming to my DM or coming to my WhatsApp group. So the one I'm done with that one, the next thing will come to privacy of a thing. So click on it. So you just type the name, your business name. I write legit cash tutor. Then I will stay. So and then I will now link that I will put here is here already. I think I have it here. So that is my privacy something I will put it. So and I'll come here, I'll paste it here. So done. The next thing, I think I'm done with that one. So the next thing is final page. So when someone click after someone click on the page, and after someone has filled the form with all the necessary detail, so the next thing that will happen is that we take him to a thank you page. The next, that is final page. So the final page is, so is the headline, thanks for your response. So I have something that I want to say, thanks, you are him. So that's what I want to use. So instead of say thanks for your response, I will put down there, and then description, have the button below. So what I want them to, a kind of instruction on what next to do. So that is where I will now copy this one. Click the button below to join our WhatsApp group to access WhatsApp group. Let me call it group. WhatsApp group to access the free video training now. So I will copy this and I'll paste it here. Do you get it now? So after that, when someone, now what this is where we are now looking at call to action. You can see now view the website, but that's not what I want to use. I will change it to join, I think the button now. What is the button? Join the training now. So I will collect join the training room now. So I will copy this, I will click on this one, so paste it here. So when they click on this button now, where is going to take them to, that is where I will put the URL here. So the URL of my WhatsApp group, that's what I will put here. So I think I have it here. So this is it, that is the destination. I will put it here, paste it here. So that one is done. I think now that that is done, the next thing, I think what next, I'll have to click on complete. So I'm done with it. I think okay, there's one thing that is left. So all this one showing red, that means that there's something that did not do. Enter the purpose. Okay, I have to enter the purpose of the form. Your detail will be used for training and marketing update, training and offer update. Let me call it that, offer update. Okay, I think that's okay. And so I will scroll back and click on complete. So while let's wait for it to load, to populate. Okay. So the form is being created. Just let us wait for a moment for it to finish. What is wrong? Something is wrong here. Okay, now the form has been created. Can you see webinar hard form? So now that I'm done with that one, the next thing is now let me upload the video that I will use to run advert. That is where we are talking about creative asset. Now, if I have a, I want to, if I have, I want to create a new video, I will click on this one. But because I have the video on my desk, on my system, or on my TikTok account or page that is connected to this ad manager. So what I need to do is to click on add. So do you get now? So what I need to do, first thing first, let me click on add. So it will populate the something for which is now art creative. So now the art creative have so many methods, but for now, for example, now this are my existing post that has to do with this. So what I will need to do, you can see we have TikTok, you can recommended new TikTok post creative library, but I will let me can use creative library, you can use TikTok post, but I've already posted the video on my TikTok page before, so I will use that one. So let me click on that. So now here are the posts that I have on my TikTok account or page. So can you see it now? That has to do with this. So but here is the video. So I will click on this video. So here is the video. I will click on this video. Now that I've selected the video, I will now click save. But for you that you don't have, if you don't have it on your TikTok post, I will advise that you should have posted it on your TikTok page before you started it. But if not, you can upload it from your devices, from your laptop. Okay, so now I'm done with the video. I've added that one to it. The next thing is so can you see now I've done that one, test and add on. So here I will have to adjust something here. I will check this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, and leave lemon and uncheck this and remove this. So these are the things I will need. So I will have to put something here, and I feel like I may not put anything here, but just let me put something here. I'll just type where is it? Okay. Learn TikTok ad. So I will use this one and I'll paste it here. Okay, I think that's okay. So if I have image, product image, I can add it to it. Like that image of the first image that I use, I will add it to it. So I can add it and I can leave it. So here is the image. I can use this one. And I can decide to leave it empty. So that is that. So now we are done with the ad creative and the likes. So now I think I'm ready to publish my advert now. So every other thing, I think every other thing is okay. Every other thing is fine. I think every other thing is well okay. So all things being equal, I'm done with the ad setup. So you can see it now. So there's nothing to change again. So then just okay, I'll just go down, I'll come here and click publish all. So and then wait for the approval from TikTok. So that's that. So then just let me click on publish publish all. So now wait for the approval. So you can see now that this is the step-by-step process to creating your TikTok ad. Can you see now creating ad? So that is that, and then just wait for it. So it's creating the ad and you wait for the ad to be congratulations, ad created and in review. So redirected to ad manager in 3 seconds. So it will be redirected to ad manager. So that is all. Now that you can see the step-by-step process of doing this now, I have something special for you, and that is why I will be introducing a special training program, a kind of transformational training program for everyone watching this video now. This live training now, I have a special transformation training program that you can join so that to learn more, because there are more to what I've just done in the last like 60 minutes now. So there is more to it. So the more to it is why I'm introducing now TikTok Ad Manager to Profit program. This is a program that every business owner, entrepreneur must embrace to learn how to set up a profitable TikTok Ad Manager that will give you visibility, reach, build client base, and also make more sales. So now, what does this program has to offer? It has a lot to offer you if you want to grow your business and if you want to get more visibility. So it has a lot to offer you. Among things that you will learn if you want to be a part, if you join this program, if you join this training program, among other things that you will be learning is you'll be learning how to set up your TikTok Ad Manager account like pro. I told you in the beginning that there's a way you create your ad manager to decide the way, the budgeting, the language, the currency, and so many other things how to be set up, and also how to get approved within 15 minutes, and also how to choose the right hard objective for any of your hard campaign. This is part of what I will be unveiling to you, especially in a time like this. So the brainstorming process that you have to put in place, how to go about it, getting the right objective for any of your product or service you want to promote, and what again, how to target ideal audience for your advert with available TikTok data. So that is one of those things I will be teaching you, and not only that, how to run ads to your WhatsApp DM, WhatsApp group, or TikTok direct message. And not only that, how to get lead for your WhatsApp group, WhatsApp or Telegram group training. That's it. If you want to populate your WhatsApp group or Telegram group for a training, if you're a coach or you are a tutor, so you can do that also. And not only that, how to sell without website using TikTok instant page feature. Either you are an e-commerce vendor or merchant, or you are selling a digital product and then you don't have money to buy domain name now, right? This is one of the method that will teach you how to go about it. And not only that, how to sell with website and track events with TikTok pixel. So these and many more are what you are going to learn in this TikTok How to Profit program. And it is not yet over. There are bonus that comes with this program. How to create a realistic AI marketing video for your ad creative, like the one that I use for this video now. I created the video using AI. I think maybe let me see if I can be able to launch this video for you to see. And this training alone worth over 10,000 naira. And also the next thing you learn is how to generate a creative using free AI tools. Now you can use AI tools like ChatGPT and some other AI tools to generate your video content, to generate your art creatives such as video content, image content, interest, demography, behavior. So with AI tools you can get the idea of what you can use. Even talking about the ad objective, you can use that one, and then I'll be showing you how to do this one. And this one alone worth over 5,000 naira. And not also only that, how to design free landing page without domain name and hosting. That is, you don't need to spend money on domain name and hosting, and this also worth over 10,000 naira, and many other bonuses. But the question is, how much is TikTok ad to profit TikTok Ad Manager to Profit program? Considering the real value for this training is 50,000 naira, but we are also, alongside with the bonuses that I've just mentioned, well over 25,000 naira, and with a lifetime support access worth 25,000 naira. So you have create a support for everyone that will be joining the program, where your question will be answered, where any problem you have will be attended to, both as a group and as individual, and then you learn from each other further. And other unannounced goodies that worth over 20,000 naira. So if you think that this and all this will value at over 120,000 naira, and you think that you want to be part of this one, the question is, you don't need even to spend half of this, as in you don't need to spend half of 120,000 naira to get into this program. But all you will need to do, you will not pay anything near half of this amount. But for the first 20 people watching this video or joining this training room, you will join it at a pre-launch price of 15,000 naira before it will be launched on Seller Marketplace next week. So if you are paying now or you are joining now, you are paying 15,000 naira to be a part of TikTok Ad Manager to Profit program. So now, how to enroll? Now you can enroll with 15,000 naira instead of paying 30,000 naira at the launch price on Seller and other platform I will be using. So now the question is, how do you pay for this training? You can make a transfer of 15,000 naira to the bank detail below. Kuda Microfinance Bank, and the account name is Oludele Atunishe, and the account number is 2025 50 80 06. And immediately you have successfully made the transfer, then all you need to do is send your transfer receipt to the WhatsApp number you see on the screen, +234 8188008252, and a link to the program download page, the support group, will be sent after your payment has been confirmed. And this is going to be a transformational program, not that a program that will be overloaded with the video. No, it's going to be a kind of a weekly assessment. Now in a week, 2 3 days video will be sent to you to download and watch. By the end of this week, we want you to come and tell me what you have learned. After then, you move to the next module of the training, and on and on and on like that, that we finish the training within stipulated day of 15 to 21 days, everybody learning, and it's become a transformational way of learning, so that we don't want a situation whereby it will be a kind of information overload. You just download it without doing anything. So it shall be a check and balance. You will tell me what you have done with the previous video training you download, then you have access to the next video training, and you come back, and then so at the end of 21 days, you must have been able to set up a TikTok ad for anything about your business or services with confidence. So this is what I have in plan for as many that will be joining. So all you need to do is to join, make a transfer payment of 15,000 naira if you are watching this video now, before we the launch price will be increased to 30,000 naira. So, and after you have done that, then you can go ahead and communicate with me through the WhatsApp line number on the screen. So this is the program, TikTok Ad Manager to Profit program with me, and then you will not regret joining this program. Once again, if you have question or inquiry regarding all I've said so far, all you need to do is contact or send WhatsApp message or WhatsApp call to any of the contact number you see on the screen. So it has been the voice of Oludele Atunishe, and I believe that you will take time and you will act fast to be part of this TikTok Ad Manager Profit program. You will take time and act fast to join the program now. Once again, go ahead and make the payment of 15,000 naira now, and let me get your payment detail, and then it will be confirmed, and you'll be added to the premium TikTok ad training group, and then where you'll be having access to the training video and all the bonuses one after the other. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying this far. Once again, have any question or inquiry, contact me through any of this number you see on the screen. See you at the top. Bye.